this video, I will show you how to get a job at Nike. So first of all, open up your browser and then just type in Nike jobs. And once you do that, you will find this option saying Nike careers, and we're going to click on this. And then from here, you need to click on careers at the top right. And right now you will see all of the open positions that Nike is offering. And in the left bar, you can filter for locations and for keywords. So let's select a career area first. And let's say we want finance, then we're going to select finance in here. So once you fill in your career area, then you will find all of the jobs that are available within that area. So then go ahead and select anything you like. So in here we have some of the United States. Then we're going to select senior accountant, for example. Then you can view everything that is inside of this job, everything that you need to be qualified for. And if you want to apply, you're simply going to click on apply now. And for this, you need to have an account on Nike. So you need to click on create an account and then just go through the application process and then filling in stuff like a motivation letter, resume, and stuff like that. So that is one way to apply for a job. There's also another way that Nike is offering, and this is only available if you are from the United States. Then you will have this option saying contract jobs USA only. And once you click on this, you will find another application screen where you will have exciting short-term and contract jobs that are available at Nike through the contract talent community managed by Talent Solutions and powered by Live Hire platform. So by applying to a job, your profile is automatically created in the community, and down below you will see all of the jobs that are eligible for this Talent Solution program. So let's say you want to have a job as a senior buyer, then you're going to select this, and then you will see everything that you need to be qualified again, all of the details, including bachelor's and stuff like that. You can see when it's published. And then you can also apply for this job by clicking on I'm interested, and then you also need to create an account for this. And this is only available for people within the United States, so with this you will also have less competition. And this is also a way to apply for a job at Nike. So now you know how to get a job at Nike. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.